Pandas are fascinating creatures that captivate people worldwide. These adorable animals are known for their distinctive black and white fur. Pandas primarily feed on bamboo, consuming large quantities daily. Despite their size, pandas are agile climbers and skilled swimmers. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect the endangered panda population. Pandas play a vital role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystem. Their playful nature and gentle demeanor make pandas beloved worldwide. Pandas have become a symbol of conservation and wildlife protection. Learning about pandas can inspire people to take action for environmental preservation. In conclusion, pandas are not just animals, they are ambassadors for nature's beauty.